It's all about those beauty blenders and those makeup brushes. You know, lots of times we forget that we need to clean these beauty blenders, and if we don't, they can cause breakouts on our skin and they can get all kinds of germs in them. So easy ways to do that. First of all, you can use a bowl with warm water in it and just a little bit of natural soap. Now, I like Dr. Bronner's Castile, but just a natural soap will work. Then you're going to take it in it, you're going to immerse it in it, and you're going to keep squeezing it until you get all that dirt out of it. When you're done, rinse it well and sit it down and let it dry. Now, another way to do it is to wet it. Use a bar soap that's a nice natural one. I like ZOTE. And you're just going to rub it back and forth on here, and then you're going to start squeezing it, squeeze that soap into it, and again, rinse it. Now, one other way you can do it, not as much my favorite, but if it's all you have, you can use it. Use some liquid dish soap and a little water. Now, one of my favorite ways, however, is to clean this beauty blender in the microwave. What you're going to do is put it into a dish of water, make sure it's saturated really, really well. I like to use a little bit of baby shampoo in with it. Put it in the microwave, run it for 30 seconds. Let it sit a couple minutes, run it for 30 seconds more. Take it out, let it sit and cool. Do not take it out and squeeze it right away because it's going to be hot when you're done. Squeeze it out, rinse it really well, and you're done. You'll be shocked at what comes out of it. And how to store these? Let me show you. See these plastic Easter eggs? Look what's in there. My beauty blender is a great way to store those and keep them clean in your purse or in your luggage. Now, makeup brushes. You know, we forget to clean those a lot too, and I'm as guilty as anybody, but there's some easy ways to do it. You want to wet the brush, work it into a natural soap. What I have here is a little bit of just Castile soap. Once you work it in well, you'll see all the dirt come out of it, and then you're going to rinse it well. Now, if you're prone to breakouts, you can use just a little bit of hydrogen peroxide in it. Another way to clean it, put a little bit of dish soap onto a sponge. You're going to take that damp makeup brush, rub it back and forth over it, soaping it up, get the dirt out, rinse it really well. And the last way for really expensive hair brushes is you can use olive oil. You again will put that on the sponge, take your brush, work it back and forth over the olive oil, and then just start pulling on it to get all that yuck out of it. Quick storage tip for your makeup brushes. A glasses case works great for your lipsticks and things like that in your purse. A soft-sided glasses case, stand it up in your purse, and you always know where your stuff is. Hey guys, if you want a printable copy of this, go to squeaky-clean.com. Check me out at Facebook and Instagram at Real Queen of Clean. And thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.